There are two categories of transformer tap changers. That is offload or de-energized tap changer and on-load tap changer. In this video I will brief about de-energized tap changer, then in my next video, I will talk about on-load tap changer. Offload tap changer is a device used in transformer to adjust the voltage by changing the tap connection without energizing or giving power to the transformer. It is typically used for maintenance or to accommodate varying load conditions. It consists several key components, such as tap selector switch, which allows for selection of different tap positions, which corresponds to different voltage ratios. It is manually operated. Tap selector mechanism physically moves the tap selector switch to the desired position. It consists of round gear and a linear gear attached to the switch. They work together to translate the rotational motion of the operator into linear motion, which then moves the tap selector switch to the desired position. Round gear is often connected to the operator's input shaft. When the operator turns the shaft, the round gear rotates accordingly. This rotational motion is converted into linear motion by interaction between round gear and linear gear. Linear gear is meshed with the round gear and is designed to move linearly along with a track or guide. As the round gear rotates, it engages with the teeth of the linear gear, causing it to move to the desired position. The linear gear is connected to the tap selector switch mechanism. As the linear gear moves along its track due to the rotation of round gear, it pushes or pulls the tap selector switch, causing it to move to the desired tap position. Also, tap leads are connections that lead from the tap selector switch to the transformer winding. The selected tap position determines which winding turns are active, thus altering the transformer's turns ratio. Tap insulation is provided to ensure that the tap leads are electrically isolated from each other and from transformer core. Tap changer are provided at HV windings because of the following: the number of turns on high voltage winding is large and hence a fine voltage variation can be obtained. Current on low voltage winding of transformer is high and hence interruption of high current is a difficult task. Also, LV windings is placed nearer to the core and HV windings is placed outside. Therefore, providing taps on HV winding is comparatively easier than if we provide the taps to LV. But remember, we were changing these taps when the transformer was off and manually. We can do these tap changing when the transformer is on load. And thus where on load tap changers coming. It has many components such as vacuum switches, bypass switches, selector switches, sensors and many more. It has to follow certain procedure for safety of the transformer, thus it uses remote control and has control panel. Check our next video for more about OLTC. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, kindly subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one.